Wala namang nakikitang dahilan ng palasyo para mahati ang suporta ng ilang miyembro ng gabinete at mga kaalyado nito sa pagdedeklara ni Senadora Grace Poe ng kanyang mga plano para sa 2016 national elections. Ang ulat mula kay Rocky Ignacio, live.
Salamat, Cathy. Naniniwala ang Malacanang na suportado ng maraming mga Pilipino ang tuwid na daan na plataporma ng Aquino Administration. Tiwala rin ng palasyo na buo ang gabinete ng Pangulo sa inendorso nito na pagkapangulo sa 2016 na si Mar Rojas. Tiwalang Malacanang na mananaig pa rin ang kagustuhan ng mga Pilipino sa daang matuwid ang plataporma ng Aquino Administration.
To institutionalize all the reforms, and that's the reason why all the reforms that are needed should be continued, and so we're running on a platform of Daang Matuwid. So we're confident of our campaign platform. We're confident that the people, as they continue to see the benefits that they receive, that the people will rely and trust Daang Matuwid Coalition and Platform.
Sinabi pa ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin La Cerda ng pagkakataon na ang nalalapit na presidential elections ay nakatuon na sa pagpapatuloy ng mabuting pamamahala o referendum ng tuwid na daan.
This is a very unique situation in our electoral history where every time there's an election, everybody talks about change. This is the situation in our electoral history where we're going to talk about continuity. Pagpapatuloy ang Daang Matuwid. Marami na po tayong nagawa, marami na po nagawa si Pangulong Aquino, at naniniwala po tayo na itong mga magagandang nangyari tulad po ng CCT, Universal Health Coverage, lahat ng mga programs po para sa ating mga kababayan, at ilang pa mga ibang mga programa na sinasabi po natin na 6 years is too short to continue all the reforms, to institutionalize all the reforms, and that's the reason why all the reforms.
Nagsalita ang palasyo sa harap ng pag-aanunsyo ni Senator Grace Poe ng kanyang plano sa 2016, pero git ng palasyo sa plataporma itinuon ni Pangulong Aquino ng good governance at hindi sa personalidad.
Unang-una, hindi pa natin alam kung sino po ang mag-attend po, so we will just defer any comment. But everybody has a right to choose who they believe will be their candidate. So, but as far as we are concerned, as far as the administration is concerned, we're going to run on a platform of Daang Matuwid. We'll be running on the basis of platform, not personality. So, hintayin na lang po natin, maaga pa naman to.
Wala rin nakikitang dahilan ng palasyo na mahahati umano ang suporta ng ilang miyembro ng gabinete o kaalyado sa pag-anunsyo ni Poe.
Sinabi na po ni Pangulong Aquino, not from his perspective. So, I have no reason to believe that there's been any change from that perspective. Like I said, cabinet members have already invested, like the President, have invested a good 5 years in their lives in bettering the environment, and we continue to do our best to continue to better the situation in our country.
Samantala, bagamat hindi maiiwasan na matalakay ang usapin ng problema sa trapiko sa posibleng kampanya ng mga kakandidato, iginit nila Cerda na hindi isyong politikal ang problema na sa kasalukuyan ay patuloy na tinutugunan ng pamahalaan.
Well, some people, I suppose some people would use that. Some people would use that, but they should also take caution with the fact that government, our non-partisan agencies, for instance, the Highway Patrol Group, is doing a major effort in improving the flow of traffic in EDSA. This is not a political issue as far as the government is concerned. This is a major concern for the motorists, and we want to make sure that this issue of traffic will be solved on a daily basis, making improvements in the whole system, and that's why it's a work in progress.
Niliwanag naman ni La Cerda na hindi siya magbibitiw sa pwesto at tatapusin niya ang termino ng Aquino Administration bilang spokesperson ni Pangulong Aquino.
I started with President Aquino when I was his campaign spokesperson. It would be wonderful for me to finish the term of President Aquino together with him as we ride down the sunset. So,
at yan po ang ating pag-uulat mula dito sa Malacanang sa tulong ng RTVM. Ako po si Rocky Ignacio para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.
Maraming Salamat, Rocky Ignacio.